Hey guys, a video on UnitedHealth Group. Look at this candle. How is the volume actually doing? Not like here, because here we also had like a dump, earnings related here. It started it and then there was some news here, but here the volume was insane. Volume wise it's okay, but we need to be careful now, okay? We had here two scenarios, either a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I said already here that it's looking like it's very overlappy here. Doesn't give me confidence. I exited here as well. So I dodged this one. Luckily for me, because it's a pretty insane one. Also, it's in the pre-market. You're stuck. You can't do anything. So yeah. But we spoke about this scenario, and we said, look, as long as you stay below this point of control, and as well, I said, look, this is not looking good because of the overlap. This risk is still here, and we got it. Okay. So now we have to put the wave 2 here, and ideally this holds, okay? If we now show continuously more weakness, then we have to take this low and move to the next FIP, which is at 150. How? If you zoom out, I have had these FIPs here since the beginning, taken from this low to this high. If we label this as a 1-2, like multi 1-2s here, and then ultimately a fourth and a fifth wave, and then here you start the move again. Again, a multi 1-2, 3, 4, 5 is this, then your final 4, 5, and now we're going to correct all of this, potentially. Then we would do something like this, okay? And maybe this bounce that we got was that bounce. It's still very short and very, very shallow. I would love to get one more move up, actually, even if we're going to go down afterwards. But just to show you, look, we've had this run from $14 to $600, okay? Technical wise, it is okay for this now to move even to this or to this FIP, okay? I know that's a massive drop, still from where we are now, and all the way from the all-time highs. It's insane, yes. But yeah, these are the only levels that you can pull, okay? Maybe one more thing is here, a point of control of this range, if I can get it. To have an additional level on the chart. What I'll do for next videos, I'll try to count this larger time frame one properly to give ourselves an indication what we are in now, because I've never done that. It will be helpful now to do it. I mean, could also be that this is a wave 1, wave 2, and then another 1, 2, 3, and now a wave 4, then a wave 5, then still these FIPs are taken correctly. Your invalidation is here instead of here. So, okay, no matter what I do in this phase, I think these FIPs, the larger FIPs here, are correct, okay? So, yeah, point of control, we already had it here. I think we bounced from it here. And yeah, we just have to wait and see now if this holds. Ideally, it holds below. We still have the 0.786. But already that one I don't want to go to, because this is your last FIP level, also weak FIP level. You're at the golden ratio now. If somehow this can turn up again, would be nice, and then we can, yeah, look for that push to the upside. If it's gonna be an ABC or a 1, 2, 3, it doesn't matter. In both cases, I would love to see one more push higher. Okay. And to extend this correction, we can then label this as a W now, then an X wave and a Y wave. Okay, but this X wave, this is too short. Okay, and there is no structure. I would love to see one more push. Okay, then we have a clear 3-wave move in wave X, and then we can move down still in wave Y. So yeah, for now we have to wait. I'll update you again, yeah, once we have more data tomorrow or the day after. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.